Hi, I have in my hand a Bluetooth ceiling speaker set. So basically what you're getting here is two 12-watt speakers. It's available with free delivery from freetv.ie. So we've been selling a lot of speakers of late, particularly ceiling mounted ones on the website, and I just made the decision to add these in. Now they're a little bit more expensive than your standard speakers would be, but the big advantage of this is, first of all, it's a full kit. So you have, we'll say, the actual flex that you need to run directly into it. Then you have the cables here. I think each of these are 3 meters long. So you've got a spacing there up to 6 meters in between speakers. The wattage on it, 12 watts, fairly nice. They're neat speakers. I think the overall diameter here is about 84 millimeters diameter, where the cutouts is about, I think, 70, maybe 74 millimeters, I think, in the ceiling. Okay, and the big selling point, of course, on them is the Bluetooth. So what will happen here is you come along, it'll pick up on the Bluetooth thing, you connect them into it, and all of a sudden you walk into the kitchen and you press the button and you have lovely speaker stands above. So the fact, I suppose, you can do all of that for a kit that's going to cost you, you know, 50 bucks or so delivered to you. You know, it's just a really, really good kit. We went with iStar. That's just a brand name of one of the Filex companies, range company. They're big guys in the UK. They're doing 50, 100 million a year, all the multiples here. But sometimes they just bring out products like this, which I know will just be great. Because, like, how much of a genius do you need to be able to fit this into your house? Like, not very much, you know. Once you cut the holes out, push these in, run the cables in, and then the only electrical thing really needs a little bit of requirement is the actual connection here. After that, it's simple out. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Bluetooth ceiling speaker set with free delivery from freetv.ie.